Hi, my name is Vanessa M, a licensed acupuncturist here at Healing with Zen in Pasadena, California. Welcome to another two-part YouTube video series that we're starting for this month, and we'll be discussing the key ingredients that you should be looking out for in your skin and body care to avoid, and what great alternatives there are out there to replace them. I think a lot of people care a lot about their nutrition and their food preferences when they think about keeping their body clean and healthy, but something that is very much under the radar is the body and skin care that we apply on our body 24/7. Our skin absorbs about 60 to 70% of what we put on it, and so the ingredients inside the skincare is really important to nourish the skin and to keep our body clean and healthy. So let's go ahead and start with our first ingredient. Our first ingredient is petroleum jelly, which is commonly found in Vaseline. And I'm sure this is a common household item for many a family. It's something that is very much ingrained in our culture. We grew up with it, but it's touted as a multi-use product, and while it does have moisturizing properties, it really doesn't help the skin that much with continual use. So petroleum jelly's main purpose is to act as a barrier on top of the skin and retain the moisture on the skin. This is why it's used so commonly with those who suffer from chronically dry skin or dry skin just from the summer. However, because it acts as a barrier on top of the skin, it actually causes the skin to lose its ability to moisturize itself and produce its own oils as quickly, and it also doesn't individually really nourish the skin at all or give the skin any benefits other than just acting as a layer on top of the skin. So a great alternative to petroleum jelly is beeswax, and the great thing about beeswax is that it acts as a natural humectant that draws out the moisture from the air and traps it in. So it naturally moisturizes the skin, and the barrier that it creates on top of the skin, unlike petroleum jelly, is breathable. And that's really, really important for the comfort of the skin, and it just creates a lot more of a natural moisturization process. Another great alternative to petroleum jelly is colloidal oatmeal, and colloidal oatmeal is really amazing specifically for eczema patients, those with dry eczema. Colloidal oatmeal contains vitamin E, antioxidants, polysaccharides, all of which work towards healing the skin and reducing inflammation. It's also really amazing for retaining moisture, so it's a great alternative to petroleum jelly. Another great option would be shea butter or cocoa butter. Shea and cocoa butter contain a lot of great fatty acids and a lot of great minerals that naturally nourish the skin and heal it and reduce inflammation, just like the other alternatives that I stated beforehand. If you want to find out the specifics of exactly which minerals they contain, go ahead and check out our blog post that will link down below. So that's it for today. I hope you guys learned some very important facts about petroleum jelly and why there are so many much better alternatives to just the stuff found in Vaseline to moisturize any areas of your skin. And also, all of the ingredients that I stated today are actually common ingredients in a lot of natural skincare products that nourish the body, so you don't have to just find it in its single concentrated form, but you can just look for it in the ingredients list when you're out shopping for your skincare and body care. So that's it for this video. Please stay tuned for the next one in our series where we talk about ingredients that love the skin and those that do not. Go ahead and check out our blog post linked down below for more information regarding this topic, and we look forward to seeing you at the clinic soon.